Adulteration of whey protein powders is a significant concern in the supplement industry. Unscrupulous companies like Big Muscle uses various techniques to reduce the production costs or increase profit margins at the expense of product quality and the consumer health.
ये बहनचोद सारे मिलके हमको पागल बना रहे हैं मादर चोद के बच्चे इतने गांड फटी के ये बड़वे
Here are some common techniques used to adulterate the whey protein powders. First and most pronounced technique is called the amino spiking. Manufacturers add inexpensive free-form amino acids like glycine, taurine, L-arginine and creatine to artificially inflate the protein content measured by the nitrogen test. Thus, consumers receive less complete protein than advertised. An example for this is Big Muscle Performance Whey Protein Powder, which got caught with the expensive amino acid profile testing. Second technique used is by adding non-protein nitrogenous compounds aka NPN compounds. Here, the nitrogen-rich compounds like urea and ammonium sulfate may be added to inflate the nitrogen test. These compounds are not nutritionally beneficial and may pose health risks if consumed in large amounts. Dilution of whey protein powders with lower quality sources like soy, wheat and collagen can also be done. This can be problematic, especially for those people allergic to these ingredients. Some manufacturers add non-protein fillers like maltodextrin and sugars to increase the weight of the product, which can be problematic to diabetic patients. Big Muscle Essential Whey and Big Muscle Gold Whey are the top tier examples which fit into this category. Mislabeling of the ingredient list with terms like proprietary blend, undisclosed amino acid profile, filtration techniques, etc. is common too. Companies like Big Muscle Nutrition, Doctor's Choice and Muscle Asylum are using these cheap techniques to sell their kachra mal to the Indian janata. Always stay away from these fake companies and save your money. Supplement brands like NutraWhey, Natural Tea, Accelerate, Acetes and Nacro sell authentic supplements which are affordable. Always consume genuine authentic supplements because health comes first. Hope this message sinks in and until then, peace out.
देखिए एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबाकर लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी बजाते